everyone, and a special hello to you for watching this video. Okay, today I'm going to make a little onesie for Darren. I did make him a previously onesie, a Hulk onesie, but I think I want to make him just normal onesie. I've got fleece material here, and then I just drew this simple like a baby grow for the little baby, just on a bigger scale for Darren. I made this little onesie pattern. I will show you now the pattern from close up, and then yeah, we'll get started. So yeah, there you go. Skin the onesie, and let's just see. Let's see. And there you go. I think this is quite cute. I think I'm gonna make the whole family's onesies like this. And he's got slippers. I'm just gonna put some of his slippers on with his onesie. I will put the eye tacky in the corner where I will show you how I made this. You're going to look how I made the slippers for him. And there you go. He's a little onesie. So he's ready to go and sit behind his computer nice and warm. So there you go. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please press that like button and subscribe to my channel. There you can see I'm going to make the whole family. Still Kaylee and Sally and Kevin's. I'm going to make the onesie the same as this. So easy. Okay, so until next time then. Bye.